Hi everyone, today I am going to tell a story. There is a beautiful place. In the place, small hut is there. In the hut, a family is living. In the family, father and mother are working very hard. Father and mother are working very hard. Okay. They have three children. Okay. Elder son, younger son, a daughter. Elder son, younger son, a small daughter. What is the duty of elder son? Whenever father is absent, he is doing father work. Okay. Whenever father is absent, he goes to that place, he is doing the father work. That means what? Instead of a noun. What is the definition of a noun? Noun is nothing but naming words. Noun is one of the parts of speech. It refers to names of person, place, thing. Names of person, place, thing. Understand? Example, Ravi, Hyderabad, a pen. Name of the person, name of the place, name of the thing. This refers to what is noun. What is the pronoun definition? What is the duty of elder son? Okay, instead of a noun. In the place of father, he is doing the work. Here, I am writing here. What is that? He, okay. Hyderabad, it, a pen, it. Okay. If there is female, we may write she. Understand? And coming to adjective. What is adjective? Adjective means here is according to this story, younger son duty is always rising to either father or brother. That means adjective is a word which describes either noun or a pronoun. Adjective is a word which describes either a noun or a pronoun. For example, she is beautiful. Okay. She is pronoun. That means elder son. She is a pronoun. Okay. PN means pronoun here is. Who is beautiful here is pronoun. That means younger son praising to elder son. That means pronoun. Okay. And praising to noun also. Suppose in the place of she, okay, Sarita is beautiful. Now, who is beautiful? Sarita. Sarita means here is noun. Now, what do you understand? According to this story? Younger son is always praising to either father or brother. Understand? Either father means noun or brother means pronoun. That is about adjective. Now, next one is, what is adverb? Means daughter name is adverb. What is the duty of daughter? Daughter is working herself. Sometimes she is helping to mother. Sometimes she is helping to younger son. That means what? Younger brother. Understand? She is doing three things. Okay. What is that? Her name is adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word which modify verb, another adverb or adjective. For example, which modify the verb means one example. For example, she She walks. She walks means general meaning. Second one, she walks. She walks fast. She walks fast. What is difference between them? Here, she is walking. She is walking fast compared to this one. Okay. Here, walks is a verb. Walks is a verb. How does she now? How does she walk here? Fast. The past meaning is adding to verb. Past meaning is adding to verb. That means add plus verb. Add plus verb. That is about she is helping to mother. She is helping to mother. Now sometimes she is helping to her brother, younger brother. For example, the shoes are big. Shoes are big. Shoes are big. Here what kind of shoes? Big. That means here big is adjective. Big is adjective. Because what kind of shoes? Shoes means noun. Understand? So that the shoes are big. It is adjective. I am writing another word. Too big. Too big. Now what kind of shoes? Big. Now additional meaning is adding to adjective. This word is called as adverb. This word is called as adverb. Okay. This meaning is adding to big. Total, both of them meaning is adding to verb. So that this is the second definition. What is the first definition? Adverb is a word which modify the verb. Okay. Adverb is a word which modify the adjective. Example 2. Now I am writing example 3. Example 3. Okay. She walks fast. Already it is declared as adverb. Okay. Between this one and this one, I am writing another word, very fast. Very. How does she go or how does she walk? Very fast. This very meaning is adding to fast. Fast meaning is adding to verb. So that here 3 examples are given. 3 examples are given. Okay. Now coming to mother duty. What is the name of mother? What is the name of mother? Verb. Okay. What is the duty of verb? Mother is always in kitchen room or house. Okay. For example, she is in the house. She is in the house as a housemaker or housewife. What is the duty of housewife? She is always busy. Mother is always busy. She is arranging carriages, food. She is cleaning all surroundings outside and inside of the house. In this way, her position is always in house only. And mother is always responsibility. She has a lot of burden. She has a lot of work. Okay. She has good nature. In the first example, stating verb. In the second example, it is a possessing verb. And she is doing number of work. For example, she is cleaning. or she is cooking. She is cooking, like that. Here cleaning means action verb. Action verb. See again. What is adverb? Already said. What is the verb? What is the verb? A verb is a word which indicate state or position, which indicate possessing or having, and which indicate either action or doing. Either action or doing. Understand? This is about verb. This is about verb. Now, I am going to explain. In the family, a daughter-in-law is there. A daughter-in-law is there. What is the duty of daughter-in-law? She is showing her work in front of noun and pronoun. She is showing her work in front of father and father-son pronoun. Understand? For example, I kept a book. I kept a book on the table. On the table. Here table means noun. Table means noun. Preposition means here on. That means in front of the noun preposition is there. Preposition is there. Example 2. I gave a book. I gave a book to him. Him refers to what? Pronoun. Him refers to pronoun. Before the pronoun, what is there? To is there. To is a preposition. According to this story, what is daughter-in-law duties? Daughter-in-law is doing her work or showing her work in front of father and son. That means noun and pronoun. What is preposition? Pre means before. Pre, pre means before. Before the placement of noun and pronoun. Before the noun and pronoun, the place is occupied by preposition. Preposition. Before the position of noun and pronoun. And next one, whenever in the family any disputes are there, a neighbor is coming and adjusts the family members. A neighbor is coming and adjusts the family members not to do disputes, not to do fighting. Like that, a neighbor is coming sometimes. In the family, small servant is also there. A small servant is there. Servant name is interjection. Whenever family member shows any emotions, it is also doing emotions. Okay? Innocent servant. Innocent servant. Okay? Here examples are conjunctions. Examples are for conjunctions. You and your friend. You and your friend are good. Are good. Okay. Here and is a conjunction. And is a conjunction. Give me a book or a pen. Here R is a conjunction. Understand? Regarding interjection. Ho look at the moon. Ho look at the moon. Ho look at the moon. In the sentence, ho is the interjection. Okay. This is the story about parts of speech. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. According to this story, noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Understand? So this is about family of a grammar. This is about family of a grammar. I think you have understood. Okay. Thank you one and all. For next class, I will teach you each one. That means what? Noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, like that. Each chapter should be taught. Understand? Thank you one and all for watching my videos.